along the way we started talking about my fibrosis in my lungs, and that's an acquired fibrosis from sepsis, which was very nasty and I wasn't expected to live. But despite that, 5 years down the track, here I am. We were talking about it one day and you said you'd been thinking about it too, and we decided we had nothing to lose by trying the light ray, the laser on my chest. So you've been working on that for, it was from about July with my treatments, and the improvement in my breathing for me has been absolutely amazing. I can actually take a really big deep breath now, which I couldn't do before, because I'd get half a breath and it would hurt and I couldn't go any further. My chest ached all the time, and every morning I wake up with a pain down my esophagus or my trachea, and it was not pleasant. I don't wake up with that pain very often anymore down my trachea. My chest doesn't ache all the time. I can actually go without I'd got to a stage where I couldn't leave the oxygen off. I can now leave it off if I'm just sitting in the chair. I just leave it off for a couple of hours, and just recently I left it off. I went to the kitchen, was preparing a meal, wandered around for about 20 minutes, half an hour, went and sat back down, and I thought, just check the sats and see what they're doing. Normally they would have been down to 50 or less. They were still 84, which is amazing, because my goal is to not go below 88, but of course it drops a lot lower than that. But the improvement is just amazing. I even got it up to 98 one day, which was just out of this world. So I know that it can't be cured, but the difference and the improvement in my well-being is just, from the laser treatment, has just been amazing.